अजनबी लगे मुझको हर एक समा, बढ़ती जाए उलझने जिंदगी, ये कैसा है सफर, ख्वाहिशें है पर किस्मत है बेखबर। जिंदगी मुझे इतना तो बता, क्यों बिखरा मेरा जहां। अजनबी लगे मुझको हर एक समा, बढ़ती जाए उलझने जिंदगी, ये कैसा है सफर, ख्वाहिशें है पर किस्मत है बेखबर। जिंदगी मुझे इतना तो बता, क्यों बिखरा मेरा जहां।
G'day, I'm at home at the moment, but if you'd like to leave a brief message, I will get back to you as soon as possible. Please speak after the tone.
Vishal, it's me. You have 10 minutes. अगर तुमने मुझे 10 मिनट में फ़ोन नहीं किया तो I'll shoot myself. और मैं मजाक नहीं कर रही हूँ. You know I have a gun. And you know I can use it. हेलो विशाल, मैं जानती थी तुम मुझे।
Hello?
Who's this?
I'm जानवी। आपने मेरे मोबाइल पे मैसेज छोड़ा था।
I'm sorry. What? I don't even know Janvi.
I know. Actually, I just got this number 2 days ago. शायद आप जिन्हें फ़ोन कर रहे थे उनका नंबर मुझे दिया है।
ओह, तो विशाल ने अपना नंबर बदल दिया और मुझे।
Are you all right?
No, I'm not. Sorry I had to call you this late. Good night.
Wait, 1 second.
What?
I found this whole thing very strange.
What? What's so strange?
मुझे 2 दिन पहले ये नंबर मिला और आज आपका ये कॉल। I mean, a girl tries to commit suicide, calls her boyfriend. Boyfriend has changed his number, and it goes to a psychiatrist who deals with suicidal cases on a daily basis. Strange, na?
Oh, please. I know what you're getting at. Don't tell me that God had something to do with this.
I didn't say that. You did.
I don't believe in all this.
If what we believed mattered, then this world would be a different place, right? Anyway, I think I can help you.
I don't think so, and I don't want you to. So thanks, and bye.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, please don't hang up.
Even if I want to hang up now, I don't think I can. इस stupid phone में कुछ problem है.
I told you. Okay, listen. आपने वैसे भी मुझसे इतनी देर बात कर ली है, तो बस 5 मिनट और सही। अगर आपको फिर भी लगता है I couldn't help you, then please go ahead. Hello? Are you there?
I'm Sarika. I have no friends. Nobody likes me. I hate my job. I just hate it. मुझे मेरी फैमिली से कोई लगाव नहीं है। I'm a loner basically. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे पसंद है ये सब, मगर I'm just used to being alone. And then one day I met Vishal. I just changed as a person. I was happy. I just didn't like being alone anymore. I finally had someone who cares about me, whom I cared about. Someone to share my happiness, my problems, my mood swings. And then one day, I walked in on Vishal in bed with someone else. And I was devastated. I went numb. And then Vishal tells me that he wants to break up and move on. And there I was, back to square one, alone, lonely. And this time, depressed as well.
I know what you're going through. It's something that all of us go through. All of us, including me. But suicide is a permanent solution to a very temporary problem, Sarika. You're low on self-esteem, plus you underestimate yourself. All of this is adding to your misery. हम सब अपनी तरह से special हैं. You need to realize this. And if you don't believe in it yourself, no one else will. So what if some people don't like you? There are many others who will. Basically, you need to leave behind this unnecessary sadness. Vishal chose to leave you, fine. Now you need to make a choice too, between staying miserable and moving on. I know it's not easy, but you have to. And the best way is to go out and get a really good laugh. You need to just go out there and laugh it out. Trust me, when you laugh at all your problems, they seem so silly. That should be your first step.
Please don't suggest television or movies or something.
No. You know what? A friend. एक अच्छा सा, प्यारा सा दोस्त.
Friend. Honestly, it would have been easier to pull that trigger. And besides, it takes a really long time.
No. This is the first step to solving your problems. And I know of someone who can be your friend within seconds. A friend who will take care of all your sorrows and will guarantee a good laugh.
Really? Who?
Have you heard of Jumbo Circus?
Yes.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. Circus बच्चों के लिए है, etc. etc. लेकिन सारिका, ये कोई मामूली circus नहीं है. This is a special circus. And what makes it special is Coco. Sarika, are you with me?
Is this some kind of joke?
Joke? No. Why would you think that?
Nothing. Continue.
So I was saying you have to watch Coco's show. Coco is a clown and he's amazing. वो जिस तरह से परफॉर्म करता है सारिका, it's so entertaining. तुम हंसते हंसते थक जाओगी, लेकिन कोको, he's so full of energy, वो कभी नहीं थकता. And at the end of it all, he always has some message. वो बिना एक शब्द कहे कितना कुछ कह जाता है. I know तुम क्या सोच रही हो, how can a clown do all this? But believe me, it's therapy. I send all my patients to him. One show of Coco and that's it. और इस कोको ने न जाने कितने लोगों की जिंदगी बदल दी है.
Are you serious? Are you telling me that some clown has helped people's lives change for better? That clown has actually helped some people.
Many people actually. Strange as it sounds, it's true. And what do you have to lose? एक ही तो शो की बात है. अगर तुम पे कोई असर नहीं होता, then I won't stop you. You can do what you want. But I'm more than confident कि उसकी नौबत नहीं आएगी. Coco has a 100% success ratio with my patients with bigger issues, and you won't be any exception.
Thanks, doctor.
You're welcome. But really, once you feel better, thank Coco. And call me after the show.
Yes, I will.
I really hope you'll take my advice, Sarika. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
मैडम 5 मिनट. ओके.